a blue cheese butter. I'm gonna have this help me here. This, oh my goodness, lusciousness. Twice baked potato, but look at this, just lusciousness. Well, hi, I'm Amy Roloff, well, Amy, and I'm in my little kitchen. Anyway, I'm making New York strip steak. So steak to me is very simple, unless you really want to cover it with, you know, stuff, depending on the steak you have. Basically, it's just salt and pepper or a little bit of other spices that you may want to add to it to give it a little heat, a little fire to it. I'm probably just going to do salt and pepper on this. Chris really likes a basic steak. I might add a little bit more to mine. And then I took 2 russet potatoes and I'm going to make twice baked stuffed potatoes. Okay, while the potatoes are still cooking, I'm getting ready to prep the steaks. I couldn't resist, so I'm probably going to add a little bit of garlic powder along with a little bit of salt and pepper on this, just to kind of really flavor the meat. Let me get it. Oh, here's a fork. Oh yeah. So what I think is really good after you sear your meat and you cook your steaks, especially for a New York strip steak, or maybe even a boneless ribeye, or definitely filet mignon. If you grill it out on your grill or even on the stove, I think it's always nice to top it off with like a little flavored butter. Sometimes I use rosemary, but Chris really likes blue cheese and I had some here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take softened butter here. Kind of mash that up. It's really soft now because it's kind of warm here. I'm gonna take some crumbled blue cheese, kind of mash that in with the butter. So basically, I don't know, blue cheese butter? I'm sure there's a term for this that just totally escapes my brain. So when the meat is all done, I will just put a little scoop, a little like a teaspoon scoop on it, and that'll really help flavor up the meat, and it's just a nice touch. Just gonna salt and pepper. Get this going at least. Oh, you know what I may do? Instead of putting garlic on this, I might put garlic in the butter. Just a dab, you don't want a lot. That's enough. And I did go ahead and put a little bit in the butter. So I'm just gonna flip these over and I'm just gonna make sure they're well seasoned once I put it in the pan as well. And I usually, I mean, everyone's different, but I usually like my meat medium rare. I don't like a lot of this red, but I definitely like it that good pink color. And I have this pretty much on the highest heat because I really want a good sear. Okay, I did go ahead and put a lid on this to kind of make sure it was cooked in the middle a little bit more. Oh, look at that. I think that's a nice coloring to it. Look at that. I highly doubt I'm going to eat all of this meat, but it'll be good for, and then just a little dab of blue cheese butter. I'm gonna have this help me here. This, oh my goodness, lusciousness. Twice baked potato. And then we also have a green salad. So, but look at this, just lusciousness. So, this recipe and all the other recipes are over on my YouTube channel, Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen, or you can go to amyroloffslittlekitchen.com, but check it out on my YouTube channel. So thanks.